Has anyone played any text-based kind of like adventure games?
Yes.
Yes? So basically what I've done is I've taken that game and I've put it on Google Home. So the idea is instead of putting in text, you actually use your voice and interact. Hey Google, talk to Colossal Adventures.
Sure, here is the test version of Colossal Adventures. Welcome to Adventure. Would you like to start your quest?
Yes.
You are standing at the end of a road before a small brick building. Around you is a forest. A small stream flows out of the building and down a gully.
Go east.
You are inside a building, a well house for a large spring. There are some keys on the ground, tasty food, a shiny brass lamp, and an empty bottle here.
Rub the lamp.
You unlock the steel grate.
Open grate.
You open the steel grate.
Enter grate.
Yeah, I think this would be a fun and engaging game for everyone, mainly because, well, so it'll give you a prompt as where you are and a description of what you can do, and anyone can just go ahead and jump in and kind of essentially take the journey together. So I'm building this app mainly because, one, I've always been interested in text-based RPG games, and I thought it'd be kind of a fun twist when you can actually just verbally say it instead of actually writing it down. And then the second reason was I thought about text-based RPGs, and one thing I was wondering was how can we make this more accessible to other people? And so one thing I thought was, well, if we make it voice command, then this enables more people that don't exactly have access to a keyboard or that may not be able to see the screen, able to also enjoy the same fun.
So the experience is not just nostalgic. The idea of interacting via voice brings a whole new dimension to being able to play a game and being able to have a system respond to you. It opens up doors for creativity and imagination.
I find it, it's like a retro type experience. Goes back to one of my first, personally one of my first experiences was ever like making a game like a graphing calculator, and it was this type of game, like text-based sort of adventure game. So, it's retro meets new.
Think of it as an opportunity for children to start learning how to interact. It's essentially a storybook or a story adventure that is opening up doors for kids' imaginations. They don't have to be able to read in order to participate. All they have to do is understand and communicate. And it's the first opportunity for them to be able to start to understand the consequences of language and what happens when you say things improperly, what happens when you say things properly.